Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to test out the new Honor phone. Honestly, I can't wait to dive into this and share my complete review with you. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the fun. The phone I'm talking about is the Honor X9b. It's got a really cool design, kind of like the Lava Blaze 2 we've seen before. I'm sure you're curious about it too, right? So, let's not waste any more time. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and drop a comment below. Okay, let's get started with today's video, all about the Honor X9b. First things first, let's talk about that design. The Honor X9b rocks a sleek and stylish look, available in 3 stunning colors: sunrise orange, midnight black, and emerald green. It's definitely a head-turner. But wait, there's more. This phone isn't just about looks. It's packed with some serious power. With its Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor and up to 12 GB of RAM, this thing can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming your favorite shows, the Honor X9b has got you covered. Now, let's talk about that display. Prepare to be blown away by the 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling through social media, or gaming, every detail pops with vibrant colors and crystal clear clarity. And what about the camera? Well, get ready to capture every moment in stunning detail with the Honor X9b's triple camera setup. With a whopping 108 MP main lens, 5 MP ultra-wide lens, and 2 MP macro lens, you can unleash your creativity and take your photography to the next level. But wait, there's more. This phone also packs a massive 5800 mAh battery, so you can go all day without needing to recharge. And when you do need to juice up, the 35W wired charging will have you back up and running in no time. If you're as blown away by the Honor X9b as we are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget Master for more awesome content like this.